Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
Therefore, my dear mother, by devotional service take direct shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is seated in everyone's heart. One can attain direct contact with the Supreme Personality of Godhead in full Krishna consciousness and revive one's eternal relationship with Him as lover, as Supreme Soul, as Son, as friend, or as Master. One can re-establish the transcendental, loving relationship with the Supreme Lord in so many ways, and that feeling is true oneness. The oneness of the Mayavadi philosophers and the oneness of Vaishnava philosophers are different. The Mayavadi and Vaishnava philosophers both want to merge into the Supreme, but the Vaishnavas do not lose their identities. They want to keep the identity of lover, parent, friend, or servant. In the transcendental world, the servant and master are one. That is the absolute platform. Although the relationship is servant and master, both the servant and the served stand on the same platform. That is oneness. Lord Kapil advised his mother that she did not need any indirect process. She was already situated in that direct process because the Supreme Lord had taken birth as her son. Actually, she did not need any further instruction because she was already in the perfectional stage. Kapildev advised her to continue in the same way. He therefore addressed his mother as Bhamini to indicate that she was already thinking of the Lord as her son. Devhuti is advised by Lord Kapil to take directly to devotional service, Krishna consciousness, because without that consciousness one cannot become liberated from the clutches of Maya.